The future of fashion doesn't begin on the runway. It begins in classrooms, studios, and sketchbooks. That's why Zivame partnered with the knitwear department of NIFT Bangalore, an industry-led program designed to bridge academic learning with real consumer needs. A journey where students moved beyond assignments and stepped into the world of real design challenges.
This is the first time that we worked on a project that could actually go to market.
For students, it was more than a project. It was a chance to solve real problems, design for real bodies, and understand what it takes to create a product that people truly need. Guided by Zivame's design and product experts, students experience the full life cycle of a product, from insight and concept to refinement and final presentation. A hands-on journey shaped by mentorship, iteration, and real industry expectations.
Collaborations like these give the students of Knitwear Design Department the necessary exposure they need before stepping into the industry.
This program allowed us to mentor young talent and bring fresh perspective into the design process.
NIFT is a public institution with a very clear mandate to create value across the value chain and the stakeholders. One such stakeholders are the student, the other one is the industry and the academic as an industry whole, along with the community. We are very thankful to the Zivame team who gave one of the classroom projects where they engaged with the students, and the students are creative students who are bent towards creating solutions to the industry as well as themselves.
At Zivame, innovation starts with understanding real needs. And that's exactly what these students have worked on today. That gave us an authentic perspective to the process, while also giving us a deeper understanding as to what this audience truly wants from fashion today.
For Zivame, it was an opportunity to nurture new voices. After weeks of ideation, development, and refinement, the strongest concept was selected, earning the student an internship with Zivame and the opportunity to see their design move toward real production and ultimately be worn by real consumers. Because when education meets industry, ideas don't just stay on paper, they become the future.